action item 2 is to create or update your business plan. If you don't have a business plan, create one. If you do, make sure it's up to date. Now, many businesses call their annual budget a business plan, but that isn't what we're talking about here. A business plan is a written document that management follows to develop, grow, and manage a business. Business plans address strategic and operational issues. They describe your organization's present status and plans for the future, and they map financial, operational, and marketing strategies that enable a business to reach its goals. Dave Tolmie, a former business owner and a current partner in a private equity firm, Edgewood Partners, is another expert we interviewed in this telesummit, and he noted that you want to demonstrate that there is growth ahead. What are the growth prospects, and are you able to articulate those? It's part of your own business plan to say, here's the growth, here are the new products, here are the new geographies, these are the new customers we can go attract, end quote. So if you've never created a business plan, believe it or not, now is a great time to pull one together. You may find that you have an opportunity to increase the value of your company in a relatively short time. Or you may discover a gem, something of hidden value that will help your sales price. Your business plan has another life too, by the way. Your business plan also becomes part of your marketing package when you sell. It should include 3 years of audited financials and a 3-year financial projection, as that's what buyers usually want. Also, summarize your industry and its growth trends, and include a review of competitors and how your business is positioned against them. A buyer will want to understand the size and health of your industry. And if you aren't doing it already, this is a chance to put into place plans to address particular challenges your company faces. For example, if your industry has growth challenges due to global competition, look for both the healthiest areas of the industry and business and focus building around that, or create new capabilities to address the stressed industry circumstances. Then document it in the business plan.